channel, or welcome if you are new. If you are new here, I just want to say that my name is Nikki, and if you don't know, I live on a farm, and sometimes I share some farm life videos with you all. And today I have some brand new little baby pigs that I want to share with you all. They are so cute, but I thought you all would enjoy seeing them, so I'm going to tell you all a little story about them. And then I've got 2 videos of them nursing and playing and stuff. And then I've got pictures for you to look at. So anyways, let's go ahead and get right on into this story. So the story goes like this. Back in October, we were on Craigslist and we found 6 piglets for $100 if we took all 6. And we were like, that's a good deal. So we went and got them, thinking that they were hogs, like the big pigs that are on farms. That's what we were thinking. And these piglets were supposed to be just winged, is why they were so small. Well, anyways, we went and got them, and a few months goes by. These pigs are not growing, and we are feeding them beef builder, which has like all this protein and stuff that's supposed to make them grow. It's for cattle to make them big. So we were feeding these to these pigs, and they were not growing at all. They were staying the same size, and we're thinking, what in the world's wrong with these pigs? Well, a few more months go by. By then, we had pretty much figured it out that they were not hogs. We thought they were potbelly pigs. Well, a few more months go by, and they got a little bit bigger, but not much. And we decided these are mini pigs is what they are. And why we didn't separate them, I'm not sure, but we just didn't, and they got pregnant. And now we have 7 babies. 3 mamas got pregnant. Actually, there's 4 mamas that were pregnant. 1 still hasn't had hers yet. 3 have already had their babies. But yeah, we are stuck with some mini pigs now, but it's okay because we go out there and we play with them and we enjoy them, and that's what I wanted to get out there, that they are outside, because you know most people keep mini pigs inside, but we were thinking the whole time, well, not the whole time, but that they were hogs is why we had them outside. And then we couldn't bring 6 mini pigs in the house. So they are outside. They have their babies outside, and they like it. They've got shelter to get in when it rains and stuff. But I do want to mention that, you know, pigs do root up the ground and stuff with their nose. They have rooted up some plastic, and that's what they are using for their bed. I'm not sure if it's plastic or not. They rooted up something, but they're using that for their bedding instead of the hay that we put in there. So you're going to see that in the pictures and the videos. So don't mind that. It looks very bad. It looks trashy and everything, but they've just rooted it up out of the ground and they're using it. So don't mind the mess. But anyways, we're going to go ahead and get right on into this. I'm going to show you the videos and the pictures, and comment down below with any questions or anything like that. I just like talking to you all. But anyways, let's do this. This spotted one right here is one of the daddies, and then another daddy is solid pink. And then all the mamas are solid pink except for the one that hasn't had her babies yet. She is solid black, and we have her by herself because we are afraid she might be having problems, is why she hasn't had them yet. But I will add a picture of her in somewhere.
This is the one that hasn't had her babies yet that I was talking about.